Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into a common problem that often arises when dealing with pointers in C. The problem we'll be tackling revolves around the use of const in function declarations, specifically when dealing with strings that won't be modified. In the context of our problem, it's essential to understand the nuances of declaring a function that takes a constant string as input. Many programmers wonder whether it's necessary to make the pointer itself const as well. This concern raises the question of whether including the second const in char const asterisk const string is really beneficial or necessary for clarity. Now let's delve into the solution. It turns out that making the pointer itself const in the function declaration might not be as helpful as one would initially think. When declaring a function like void do underscore something, char const asterisk const string, the second const can be seen as unnecessary noise, especially from the caller's perspective. In most cases, opting for a simpler declaration like void do underscore something, char const asterisk string, proves to be clearer and more than sufficient for the caller's understanding. In summary, when it comes to declaring functions that take constant strings as input in C, the inclusion of an additional const for the pointer itself might not be the cleanest or most practical choice. Keeping the declaration simple and clear with just const before the data type ensures better readability without burdening the caller with unnecessary details. And with that, we've reached the end of our discussion. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a witty comment below. See you next time.